Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring an essential component of hydropower plants, the Penstock balance bypass valve. Let's dive into what it is, how it works, and why it's crucial for efficient energy production. In a hydropower plant, the penstock is the large pipe that channels water from the reservoir to the turbines. But managing the flow through this pipe is vital, and that's where the balance bypass valve comes into play. The penstock balance bypass valve helps regulate the pressure and flow of water in the penstock. It allows for a controlled diversion of water, ensuring stability and efficiency in the system. When the main system experiences changes, like fluctuations in water levels or sudden demands on power, the bypass valve can open to balance the pressure. This prevents potential damage to the turbines and other components. One of the key benefits of the bypass valve is that it allows for smooth operation during maintenance or emergencies. Technicians can redirect water without shutting down the entire system, keeping power generation uninterrupted. By effectively managing pressure, the penstock balance bypass valve contributes to the overall safety and efficiency of the hydropower plant. It minimizes wear on equipment and enhances longevity. The balance bypass valve is crucial for maintaining optimal flow conditions. It helps ensure that our turbines operate within safe parameters, which is essential for efficient energy production. Now you know how the penstock balance bypass valve plays a vital role in hydropower plants. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into renewable energy. Thanks for watching.